welcome to Aria Reserve Miami. Today we're gonna start off with a swim. It's beautiful outside and the water looks good, so why not? Alrighty, here we go. Just kidding. Today we're at the Aria Reserve Miami Sales Gallery. Are you ready? Let's go. Well, first of all, look at this beautiful decoration. Breathtaking. Literally, I still can't breathe. And John gave us an amazing presentation. Thank you very much, John. You're awesome. Let's start off with the restrooms. The floors, the walls, the mirrors, everything. The tub, which is actually going to be facing the streets or the ocean. So people will see you taking a bath. Actually, you can make that private. They don't have to see you. But yeah, it will be facing out. And this kitchen, look at this. How do you not want to cook here? It's like pristine. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful stove. Unreal. Unreal. I just want to cook something. And look at this decoration. Look at this. Look at this dining table. I mean, there is only one thing that can make this dining table even better than that. And that is sushi. That's right. Thank you so much, everyone at Aria Reserve Miami. It was a great time being there with the team. We enjoyed ourselves, as you can see. All right, now while we eat, let me tell you a little bit more about Aria Reserve Miami. It is the last reserve of its kind, featuring the tallest waterfront twin towers in the United States. At the lobby level, residents enjoy valet parking, a 24-hour front desk staff, and access to a personal concierge for all other needs. It was built precisely with today's modern Miami city dweller in mind. There's going to be more videos coming up with a lot more information. For now, I just wanted to give you this little quick teaser. Have a great day.